The boat a go land. The boat so land. With the brownstew chicken and cinnamon. The breadfruit are the plan. Me them can't understand. Aye, yes man, my beautiful people man, natural vibes again. You know, so we in our backyard this morning again. Beautiful man, about after 11 now. Yes man, in our morning. Yes, so big up which part wherever on there. Anytime at all, if a night or even now watch this, just give thanks when you don't know. Beautiful, beautiful morning out there. I go blaze up something in the backyard. You know yard lifestyle for all of the new viewers them. If you're on the first time watching the channel, yard life, good, outdoor cooking, outdoor vlogging, all of them good, nice stuff there. What you deal with yard. So, wanna just click the subscribe button there. Drop a comment. Yes man, drop a comment, make yard life know so they are in a place. Yes man, if you're on the first time I view this, and for all our existing subscribers them on the don't know. Bless up on yourself. Bless up on yourself. Thanks for 1.5k subscribers. We are get right into it right now. So we are gonna blaze up some fire. I wanna know forward with me. I wanna know the style. Forward man. Yeah man, we have some good nice kool here so people may tell you say and kool are bun sweet. Yeah man and kool. Ants this my drop in. The ants them cut. Ants start below so right in my kitchen. Yeah man and kool are bun sweet my people, I never tell a lie. And kool are bun sweet. Big up Shappy because Shappy give them kool, you know. Shappy always a supply with the right kool them. Yes man. You see the title already, not true? You see how we are blaze up in our kitchen today. In our outdoor style, yeah. Some are knowing people. Some are know in the countryside in a hot like fire. So you know, so we outdoor. And we are going to blaze up some cooking food in our morning. Yes, no man. Come back again with this, you know, people. Come back again with this. Yeah, man, a style, a good style, me I tell you. Big up Anthony Spearfishing, JA. And you see, clean bass. Yeah, man. Wanna big up clean bass too. So I gotta use some tissue, my people. We use tissue and cooking oil. One of the baddest recipe. Yeah, more recipe. One of the baddest stylists for catch fire, me I tell you people. It work. Me I tell you. It work. So we just sprinkle some cooking oil on the tissue itself. And you know we are gonna light up a fire right now. We just go, you know, just have to get some fire upon that tissue here. And so about the same way, you know, people. Yeah man, get some fire upon that tissue and just put all of them look cool, you know. So I learn from this, you know, because I learn from clean bass, you know, and Anthony, you know, so I learn from this too. Put some cool and them things there all around it. And just left it. I mean, I tell you, couldn't believe. So I go left that right now, people. Yes, man. I go left that right now. You see this right here, so? Fresh, natural vibes. You know, so I can bust this now and turn it down, make it go and drain out. Yeah, man, natural country style. You don't know the style. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so we brush here, people. Yeah, man, so you know, so I go dig out stem here now. Dig out stem. Nice breadfruit, you know, people. Yeah, man. Nice breadfruit, I tell you. I feel like tastes like taco. No, so that one I look like taco. Sweet. Hey, you need some man? Yeah, man. I don't know. Clean bar self for vote feet. And I will do that style, I vote feet. So right now, you know, so I go put on this. Right funny. Down here, so. Watch out. Look at this. So let's see say it work. Natural vibes. So right now, you know, so I gotta just rest this one right here. So let this go and stay here and go and rest. Yes, man. Yes, sir. Look what we have right here, so again, my beautiful people. Today, you don't know, I'm going to some cinnamon curry chicken. What do you I tell you, say? It wicked. Wicked more like that any day, anytime. So you know, say, we could go the curry and I go the Brownstew. So right now, we have fall in a pot right there, so. Yeah, man, we have fall in a pot right there, so you know, so come up from this. We're going to make it starve a little bit. And we are going to get some chicken clean up. Cinnamon Brownstew chicken with roast breadfruit. Yes, man, naturally. Boy, that style is wicked, my people. Yeah, man, that style is wicked. So see, with breadfruit, you know, 4 feet. So I'm going to put this in a fire now and make breadfruit and roast and stuff. Yes, man. Natural way. That is it. Put that deep one around it. 4 feet. Yeah, man. Same way, so I nearly get my locks burn off, you know. Yeah, man. Push down locks in a fire and bow me a blow. And one of my locks nearly burn off after me a grow it for so long, you know. So it goes still. Yeah. Alright, my people. So meanwhile, you don't know, we just get on the breadfruit over this, you know, my beautiful people. Yes, man, we just get on breadfruit over this one. Yes. So meanwhile that I go and blaze up in a fire and thing, you know, say we have to chicken right there, so we have to just get this clean up same time. Yes, because we're not waiting, you know, because we want to season it and put it down. So you know, say meanwhile breadfruit I roast up on the fire, seasoning I go and marinate. Yes. Yes, man. Can't wait for taste that one. I call the curry one did bad, you know, so that one I most bad to people want to think. Yes, man. Drop a comment and let me know if you know that try this. If you know that try the curry cinnamon or the Brownstew cinnamon. Let me know what you know that try. Outdoor life. So yes, my beautiful people, as you can see right there, so now, yeah, man, chicken done cut up and thing. Yes, and wash up and thing. Natural way. Yes, man. So I'm going to use one of the chicken to the people. We have some all-purpose seasoning. We have bounce all-purpose this time. Yeah. I bounce some all-purpose on the chicken this time, people. Yeah. Natural way. Natural way. Alright. And all-purpose. A chicken season. Yeah, man. A chicken season. Yeah, man. Let's get some chicken seasoning on it. Yeah, man, I don't know. Little salt there. Yes, man, little salt there. Yeah, man, bounce little salt on chicken. Yeah. And, I don't know, over here, so. I have some goodies. Yeah, man, we have some goodies in this. Yes, alright, so we have a tomato, nice pretty pepper, we have scallion and thyme, and onion. So you know, say all of this I go cut up right now. All of them I go cut up right now and go in our pot, people. Natural way, I want to say. Yes, man. Purple onion I get cut up right now, people. Yeah, man, purple onion I get cut up right now in our pot. Pretty. Yes, man. Pretty. Pretty like pretty, you know. Purple onion gone in a pot. We have the time right there, so people. Don't know. Let's get off most of them little stems off of the big limb. Yeah. And just drop right in it. Natural way. Yeah, man. See me some people, and you see it? Skelly on the right there, so. Natural vibes. So you know what I gotta do with skelly? What I gotta do with skelly, you know, people? I really cut up skelly, you know. I really cut up skelly and people when I do me just rub scallion, you know. Rub up scallion like this and drop scallion in a pot, you know. So I do it. Scallion in a pot. Tomato time now. I feel like this is gonna taste good. Breadfruit, man. Breadfruit and brown stew chicken wicked, you know, people. But that one here the cinnamon version. Yeah, man. I don't know right there, so. Nice hot pepper. Dice up. Piece of this in a pot to people, you know. Yeah, man, natural vibes. I don't know again, you know, my people. Wicked ingredients we are gonna make land in this. See, cinnamon. Yeah, man. So I get the cinnamon wash off, you know. Yeah, man, get the cinnamon wash off and thing. Natural, now just drop them right in the pot, yeah. Everything I get seasoned up and everything I rub up like a one family. See all this, my people? See all this? Alright. In a pot. Look at that. Nice. So I can rub up this now, people. Rub up everything with the right hand. Rub up everything. This smells good. Wow, this smells good, my people. Browning. Yeah, man. Can't forget the browning. You know, so I go slide some browning on them right now. Yes, man. And rub up. As usual. No yard man style. Rub up. I wanna name the yard man. Rub up. Yard man, rub up. Yes, man. Yes, man. Look at that. Naturally. Whew. Yes, man. So chicken done season up right here, so in a pot here, so naturally. And you don't know, say the breadfruit are gone. So let's take a look. Yeah, man. Breadfruit are gone, my people, so you know, so I'll get the first flip here now. Ooh. Nice. 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 Like how this a come on, my people. Yeah, man. Natural vibes are going on here, some beautiful people. Natural country vibes. What am I do? Naturally. Yeah, man. Yeah, country that's how we go on, you know. Yeah, outdoor style. Comfortable too. Yeah, man. Better than indoor. Yes, man. So, I don't know what's right here, so. I go on here, so. Don't know we have a chicken. Season up and thing. Yeah, man, in a pot here. Over there, so you know, say. Breadfruit. Real life. Brushy. Yeah, man, brushy up on fire, right? So go on. Fire go on with it good. Yeah, man, the fire now feel right at all. Big up thing for them kool, you know, because them kool are shot. Yeah, man, big up shop if them kool, because them kool are shot. Kool are blaze. Yeah, man, naturally.
Bread
Yes, man. Natural vibe, you know. So I just go and cool out in the hot sunny day. Yeah, man, cause cool breeze a blow. Yeah. Yes, man. So I just go and cool out, relax. Wanna know the style? Good food there, so. Good food that come on nice, you know, my people, you see it? Yeah, man. Feel like one get a little turn, you know. Natural way. Feel like I get a little turn. I use a knife, you know, people, cause it come in, you know, breadfruit come in. And when you turn on that, when you turn the breadfruit and that stick on your finger, them, you know, and nothing normal, you know. Fire blaze. Yeah, man. So feel like I get a little turn, you know. Cause breadfruit look nice, my people. Yeah. You can get a little turn, you know. Yes, breadfruit soft and nice. On that side I get some. Yeah, man, on that side if you get some. And thing. Fire go on nice on it. Yeah, man, the fire deal with it nice. Fire do it good. Yeah, man. See what go on, so this soon chew on the fire, you know. Yeah, man, the whole of this right, so soon chew on the fire and see what go on. Yes, man, cinnamon style. Natural way. Yeah, country lifestyle. Country lifestyle, you know. Yes, man. Country lifestyle. So the breadfruit, I go on the responder side there, you know, so we soon flip it again because we don't want it burn up, you know. Yeah. Although breadfruit kind of hard for burn still, you know, you have literally left it for hours for that burn up, you know, but yes, man. That come on nice, kite steam down the knife, but right night, so. Oops. Yes, so you know, so that I come on nice roast breadfruit style. Breadfruit season again, my people. Yeah, man, breadfruit season again. See 3 over there, so. See 3 over there, so. Yeah, load. But they don't know it, they're fully fit up yet. We have boiling one on it, but them not start, them not ready for roast yet. But we have one on it, we have breadfruit on it, we can boil now and think fit enough we can boil. Yeah, breadfruit time again, so you know, so breadfruit. Oh my god. Wicked. Yeah, man, tell me if you know want me drop a breadfruit and ackee and saltfish video. Tell me if you know want me find a ackee tree and run up in it. I don't know what. Whole heap of ackee tree about the place, you know. Yeah, man, I look for a couple right now over there, so. People grown, still no people. Yeah, man, people grown. But they don't know the country life, bro. If you ask, you shall get, because people, them places are not really too mean like that, and you get there, you get alone. You understand? And I like in the city where you know, so them things they're hard to get. Yes, them things are there on them side that get lower. So if you ask, so we get them and no want to stay up on the tree, right? You understand? So if me not have none in my yard, we can ask and get same way. So we just climb tree, country lifestyle. You know the St. Mary, like, yeah, man, St. Mary side, yeah, man. Crazy vibes, man. Yeah, man. Crazy vibes, you know? Yeah, man, breadfruit. Breadfruit that come on, nice. Nice, you see that? Nice. Get another turn again. Yeah, man, get another turn again, you know? So I deal with it nice for me. That my life, see. Yeah, man. Mini plum tree here, people. Yeah, man. My mini plum tree here, people. Yeah, the plum them I get huge up here now and think on them. You know? Yeah, man, natural vibes. So I go on here. Yeah. Naturally. You like now pick one and hurt one. There are 2 of them, you know. In the plum tree vibes, you know. Natural vibes. Whoo! Aye. Whoo! Just get 2 plum off a tree, people, you know. Breadfruit, you're gonna make a turn on it again. Make another turn on the breadfruit, yeah. Nice. Let's see it come on. Yeah man, so want it come on, you know. I'm gonna peel up them plum and I'm going to munch pan. Cause the hungry are kicking and I want the breadfruit not ready yet. Yeah man, so you know, so right now we have 2 plum right here, so we just pick off a little mini tree. Yeah man, right back of yard, you know. Yeah, I know punchy style. Plum and salt and black pepper. You don't know them style. You can't tell me some you don't know them style. I will not tell me say. Plum. Yeah, man, them nice to make all juice, you know, people. Yeah, man, nice to make juice. Fresh from off of the tree, you know. Yeah, man. Fresh from off of the tree, my people. Plum, yeah. Naturally. Nice. Yeah. So after all of that we do now. I say enough to choose salt now and make it. I don't know about that. I don't even know about that, people. I don't know. I don't know what it do, you know, people. I must say bad luck. Yeah. Salt in the hand mickle, yeah. Yeah man. Nice, no? You see them soft. And sharp all the seed. Seed sweet. Country lifestyle. Yeah, I eat off all of this, you know, people. Not consume oil, so true. I know say bag of salt not too good, you know? Yeah man. Natural way. I check on the breadfruit, you know. Make sure it's everything proper. Make sure it's all breadfruit, alright. Aye. Yeah man. Yeah man. Just a little side I left now, people, and then we're alright, you know. It can come off you now still now, but I like when my thing do. Well nice and perfect. So, I give us about 2 minutes. Around us another 2 minutes. Make sure it's the whole like well soaking and well nice. And then we're alright. Yes man. Yes, my people. Aye. Yeah, do to me there now. Breadfruit, well done you know. Look at this. Aye. Aye, the steam a chump out through the whole you say, you know, people. Pan the knife for me, you know. Oh my God, look at that. Yes, man. Natural vibe, breadfruit. Done you know, my people. So, you know, say, I'm going to load up the fire with a couple more pieces of coal. Same time. Same time. Same time. Look at the fire, not failing, you know. Fire not failing, no time at all. Alright. Natural way. Get on this. Alright. Get on the pot. Look at that. Naturally. Nice. No need to fear. Breadfruit is here. Yes, man. Yes, man. Hi. Oi. I can peel up this right now, people. Yes, natural vibes. Hi, hot it up, people. Wow, what a beauty. What a beauty, people. Look at this beauty right here. Naturally. Yes, man. One time to get to Island now, partner, people. Yeah, man. Time to get to Island now, partner, now. Yes, I know. Naturally, I know. I go chop a little pepper here night. Keep one nice up the island too. And in the meantime, brush it. Yes, my people. Time to get the breadfruit peel up and thing. Look at that. Nice and true. Yeah, man. So peel up this right here now. Peel up this right here now, my people. You know the style. Look at that. Look at that. Heat up kicking out, you know, people. All through the newspaper, we feel the heat, you know, people. Oh my God. Ah, nice. Nice, people. Want to eat. Want to eat, I come out for this. Ah, yeah, man. No one enough, nah, man. Aye. God damn, people. Hot. Yeah, man. Hot. Hot. It's a bone up, man. It's a bone up, man, people. Ooh. Ooh. This you call hot. Nice. People, alright now. Right time now to get in the chicken and them thing there in the pot. That's right, you know. Natural vibes, you know, my people. Yeah, man. Let them go and simmer down and burn up under the heat. Under the nice juice of the cinnamon, onion, you know, thyme, scallion, pepper, all of them things there. Yeah, make that go and deal with it right there, so. Yes, my people, man. Alright. A knife there. Knife hide. Oh. Yeah, my people, man. Let's walk on right there, naturally. Naturally. Fresh. Nice. I get this bus up right now, people. Bus it right in a two. Ah. Ooh. Naturally. Natural vibes and beautiful people. Natural vibes, look at that. Yeah, man. Look at this. Nice vibes are going on some people, you know. Nice vibes are going on. But who that for my people? Yeah, may I try beer to burn, you know. Look at it. Hot. Hot, can I tell you? Nice. Nice. Yeah, man, I breadfruit this, you know, people. Yeah, man. Breadfruit this one. Look nice, eh? Natural way. Yeah, I don't know. Chicken them the right side, you know, people. I go on normal out in the pot, you know. Yeah, man. Cinnamon smell good in it. Alright. Alright. Yeah, man. This is how I want to see, people. This is how I want to see. Yes, man. You can smell it. This is how I want to see, people, you know. Yeah, man. Cinnamon smell good in the chicken, yeah. Right, I say, you know. Yes, man, my people, man. Natural vibes. Natural vibes. Chicken a come on, nice. Yes, my people, chicken a come on, nice, right, I say. Chicken a come on, nice. Cinnamon smell good. Yeah, man. Cinnamon smell real good. No lie. No lies. I make them fry up little first, people, before I throw no water in it or nothing like that, you know. Get the little thing. Get it brown up and thing the right way. Yes. This is how I want to see right there, so. Yeah, man. Natural people, how that look? Yeah, man. I see we have a breadfruit over here, so. Well ready up a wait. Yeah, man, this over here, so wait. Natural vibes. Yeah, man. This there, so wait, my people. Alright. You see that? Yeah, man. This is how we do it. Country vibes. Chicken them look good, my people. Chicken them look real good. And them smell real good too. And the cinnamon stick stand up in the fire. Yes, sir. Actually, my people. Yeah, man, I like when it have that little brown thing there about it, you know, because brown soup chicken for brown. So we're not going to put no water in it right now, people. But here we're going to do, still have to cover it down. Yeah. So me know I'll fry up, it a spring water at the same time. Yeah, man. Yeah man, as a countryman, you have to know them style, you know. Naturally. Smell good. Yeah, but that taste piece of breadfruit still in the people look at. Oh my god. Natural way. Every day. Rasta style, man. That is it, people, man. You are going boom bang, boom bang. I don't know. Chicken the right, so. Lift it up and show no I go on. Chicken the right, so I go on spring water already. That one have to see. I don't know. Natural vibe. Why people? But they are going to have bag of things. But they are going to have bag of things. Stay from far and hear it. Stay from far and hear it, people. Yeah, man. Hey, see me man I run go. See me I try jump out, man. Natural vibes, people. You see that? Yes. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, man. So right now, I'm going to take a little water in this. Little water, make that one bubble on it now. Yeah, man, so I calm it down, you know. To start back the blazing again, you know. So I cover it down. I make that go on all the little vibes right there. So, yeah, man, you see that? Over my eye top a bun me. Come like me go rub my pepper hand on it. Cheese and cheese. Come like a fire. Right now over my eye, man. Cinnamon. Chicken come on here, nice. Yeah, man, this basically soon finish up here now. Yeah, cause chicken no need no heap of cooking in people. Chicken no take long to cook. Nice, got that. Yeah, man. People want to try remember, you know, when I make, when I use pepper, you know. When I use pepper, just try remember. If you wash off on one before you rub on your eye. I see it, I'm still rub my eye. But it all good. Yeah, man. But I blaze up. Yeah, man, I can see what going on in the pot there. You see what going on in the pot there? What a bubble up, people, look at that. Yeah, man. What a bubble up, man. What a bubble up. It's a good look. A great look what go on right as people in the pot. Everything nice, everything gel, everything sell, everything melt. Like Mellow FM, you know? Yeah, man. The boat a go land, the boat so land. With the brownstew chicken and cinnamon. The breadfruit are the plan. Me them can't understand. No. I got this out there. What you know, I see what going on in the people. That's right about now. Can't wait to the people. This smell too good. Alright. This not look too bad. Yeah, man, that one don't look too bad, you know. This look like it can't come after now. Alright. People, I'm going to take a closer look now. a closer look and tell me what you think, you know, cause this look like it cove on here now. So this will come off, you know, people. This land. Boat land up right here, so now. Yeah, man. Boat land up. Land up. Yeah, man. This boat can run up right now. A boat are there on land. Yeah, man. A boat are there on land, people. Yeah, man. There on land, and then I see again. Look at that. Yes, man. Look at this. Yeah. Boat land here now, people. Yeah, man. Boat land here now. Nice. Look at that. Yeah, man. Right now, can't wait, you know, people. I go share, you know. Yeah, without fear. I go share without fear, you know. Say we're gonna share without fear. Yes, we're gonna share without fear. Yeah. Yeah, my people. See what I go on there. Yeah, man. Breadfruit there. Right there. Yes, man. I can save some of this for another video too, you know, people. Natural way, you know. Yeah, because we want to fry up some of this, you know, people. Holy heap of breadfruit, this is nice. Yeah, man. See right there, so. Right there, so we have brown stew, chicken, cinnamon, chicken. Look at this. Natural vibes. Yeah, man. Get some gravy in it, you know. Get me little like gravy. And make sure so you're not lazy. Alright. Natural vibes. Natural vibes, people. Cinnamon I go like say. It want to jump out and run there. You know, so you know depend that. I don't know where you want to run go, you know. Yeah, no, I don't know where you want to run go. You know depend it. Natural way. Natural way and we not play. Look at this then now. Yes, man. Natural way and we not play, my people. Yeah, man. So this is some breadfruit we have right there, so roast breadfruit, you know, and some, oh my god, wicked cinnamon brown stew chicken. This is how we have a beat right there, so people. Yeah, man. Natural way on this. I'm gonna take the first bite. Hey. Naturally. Victor. Wicked vibe. Wicked vibes. Wicked vibes. Wicked vibes. So I go on there. So I go on there. Some food there. Can't even talk, people. If you pick out of the curry or the pick out of the curry, people, more breadfruit me I go for it. If you pick out of the curry or the brown stew, I could choose. I think I could have choose. I can't choose. Can't choose my people. Can't choose. Two of them wicked. Two of them wicked. Can't choose. If you bite the chicken, normally you would think in the gravy, the cinnamon extra could have go. And in the flesh, in them places, in the flesh, especially in the breast. So if you're a breast lover like me, you can guarantee you're not going to disappoint me. I see how the pepper burn me over my eye. Food is not spicy. It's not salt, it's not fresh, it just run on one spot. On the scale it just stays so. Now I'm moving I make it. Yeah my people. These are some good country food. So the cinnamon just right in the chicken. Good country vibes, my people. Natural way, no. Some vibes are real vibe. Turn down here, some good food. Sleep. Drink water. No, I left nothing in that plate. No. That is it. See that, people? Natural country vibe. How much out of 10? 25. How much out of 100? 175. Good is bad. People, that is it. No mash it up. I know I'm supposed to mash it up too now, no mind. Yeah, man. Yeah, what man. Remember to leave a like on the video, people. So come like spice and kick in now. Leave a like on the video, people. Drop a comment, leave a comment on the video to people. If you're new here, remember to subscribe, you know. Yes, man. Remember to subscribe. Yard life. Yard life food, sorry. That is it, man. Food a kick in now. Yes, man. You know, say I'll come out from this nigga right this and them thing there. Take time kick in. Country vibes. Beautiful afternoon. Yeah, man, see there. Beautiful afternoon, man. Place nice. Place nice, my people. So right now, oh my God, good look cooking vibe, my people. So you know, so I got tune out right now. Give thanks again to every single smart view that video. All of my new viewers, remember to subscribe for the first time I watch that video. I watch any video on the channel. I need to make sure to drop a subscribe, man, because more good cooking for our. Tell me if you try it. Drop it in the comment section. Tell me if you try the cinnamon or the curry chicken. Cinnamon or the brown stew. No, cinnamon brown stew or the curry cinnamon. Yes, natural vibes. Tell me if you try the curry cinnamon or the brown stew cinnamon. Drop it in the comment section. And as you know, all know, one love, give thanks. If you could remember that, yard life.